up. It's going to be a good thing for Headland, and it's sort of, especially with the holiday seasons coming around, this is something real good for the people that's got warrants on them for failure to appear or pay. This will sort of, keep them out of jail during Christmas time and get them a chance to get in front of a judge and get things settled out. But the goal of the Amnesty Court is to close cases and reduce the number of active warrants we have in our system. Over a period of time, these warrants will build up, and this is a chance to get everything cleared out. So it's good for both sides. Defendants have a chance to come in without the risk of being arrested, which benefits them from eliminating arrest on the record that can jeopardize the job opportunities and with the suspension of the driver's license. It also has a sense of relief and a fresh start with a clean slate. On the administrative side, what I'm saying is this helps alleviate a backlog of all warrants, traffic fines, and stuff of that nature. So it's a win-win for both sides. This is the first one we've ever had, so we hope it's going to be great results. But in order to participate, they will need to contact the city clerk. You can contact Ms. Kim and Ms. Crystal, 334-693-2037. They will need to call and get on the docket for that day, because walk-ins will not be accepted. Can't do a walk-in because so many people would come in, you wouldn't be able to control the court. But once you've been placed on the docket, the warrant will be recalled. So once you get on the docket, the warrant will not be issued until you come to court, and it won't be issued at court. It'll be a chance to come in front of a judge, to set up payment plans with the judge, and work something out with the judge to get that taken care of. But we hope it's going to be a great success. These ladies worked real hard trying to get this together, and I think it's going to be real good. Like I said, it's a win-win for both sides. It helps everybody sort of quit looking over the back and get a clean start. Plus, it helps alleviate a lot of backlog of cases and traffic fines.
Did they get caught?
Yeah, just not only, especially for the traffic citation, it's come to a point where you've either set up payment plans and haven't paid or haven't showed up for court. Not only will a warrant be issued, but your driver's license will suspended. And once they're suspended, then you're going to have to go through a reinstatement, but you'll have to pay this fine in full and get it completed and cleared through the court before the state will even reinstall your driver's license.
Not only that, you can also be charged with an additional failure to appear charge, which would just about double your original fines. So in the long run, it's better for them to go ahead and come on and take care of it. And they think it goes away after a certain number of years, and it doesn't. There's no statute of limitations on it, so it doesn't just go away. It will benefit them in the fact that if they have already gotten to the point where we've suspended their license and a warrant's been issued, what will happen is it'll give them the opportunity to come and speak with the judge, speak with us, set up more payment plans. Times are hard right now. The original plan that was set up may not be working for them now, and that may be why they fell off the grid, so to speak. And if that's the case and they come and satisfy what they're supposed to do, then we can issue a clearance for their license. And there will be some additional fees from the Department of Public Safety, but that's something that we don't have any control over. But it would help them to go ahead and get it cleared up, as opposed to waiting until they get caught one day at a roadblock or pulled over for speeding and they get run and bam,
Because once they issue a warrant, it goes to the administrative status with the state, where it's a violation of the license, and they go administratively and suspend them. So then you have to pay and get straight with the state after you get straight with the city.
And sometimes people think if they move to Georgia or Florida or a neighboring state that they can get around that. You can't. We have a reciprocity with a lot of the states in the United States, and if you're suspended in Alabama, before you can get another state driver's license, you have to be cleared with us first. So it doesn't just go away.
But we do want people to understand this is not a trick, and it's not. We've seen the things where you want a big 60-inch TV and come pick up your TV, and then everybody's here waiting to jump on you and arrest you. This is not the case. This is not a trick. You will have to contact the court. You'll have to contact these ladies to get on the docket. And once that you are set on that docket, that warrant is recalled. There will not be a warrant out for you at that time. You give you a chance to come back to court and get everything squared away. So it's not a trick. It's just, Ms. Crystal, they want to do something. Times are hard. This is a chance to sort of help the people that's got warrants and stuff that's sort of facing some hard times. It's just a chance to give them a fresh start. Try to get things cleared up. Christmas time's coming, so.
Nobody wants to be in jail on Christmas Eve. So.
And I guess why was it so important to you and the rest of this department to make this offer where people can come on and get this taken care of and not have this on their back anymore?
Well, actually, it's something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I had heard about it through other court systems that have tried it. I know, I think it originated in Hoover, and we've heard about it through different classes that we've gone to, and I thought, well, that might be, something good for us. So we've actually researched it and got some good information on exactly how to implement it, and we just thought we'd try it and see. Like Chief mentioned, times are hard right now in the economy. We understand that our defendants face hardships and there's burdens trying to find a job, and when you don't have a driver's license, that really puts a crimp in your job opportunities. So, it's something that we thought would be a win-win. It would help them out. It helps the city out with reducing the backlog, reduces the warrants, cleans up things, and we just thought we'd give it a try, and hopefully it'll be a success, and we can, build on that for future.
Is this gonna be for the first time?
This is the very first time here in Headland. Now, they've done it elsewhere, but this is our first one, yes, sir.
On the defendant's aspect,
Mhm.
he's already, the ticket's been drawn, he's missed court.
Mhm.
He comes in, gets on the docket,
Mhm.
gets cleared up, and then he misses again.
Well,
Don't get the second chance in, does it?
no, this is a one-time thing. If they end up, say for instance, they call Kim and say, okay, I want to clear up my warrant, please put me on the amnesty docket for November the 7th, and we do that and they fail to come that day, no, that'd be their one and only shot.
Christmas comes once a year.
Mhm. Yep.